Hello everyone, my name is Farzad and today I will talk about biomining and mining and their effects on society and the environment. Mining provides important materials for technology and industry, but it can also cause serious environmental and social problems. In this presentation, I will explain both the benefits and impact of mining. Now I'll talk about environmental and social consequences. Mining affects the both environment and people. Heavy mining machineries release greenhouse gases contributing to climate change. For example, research shows that mining industry produces about 4 to 7% of global greenhouse gas. Toxic chemicals like mercury and arsenic can pollute rivers and groundwaters. In Peru, some rivers near gold mining areas became unsafe because of mercury pollution. Mining is also dangerous for workers, causing accidents and lung diseases from dust inhalation. In addition, indigenous communities in parts of the Amazon rainforest have been displaced because of mining expansion. These examples shows that although mining supports economic growth, it can be managed responsibility to protect both people and the environment. Now, how biomining works. Biomining is a scientific method that uses microorganisms like bacteria to extract metals from ores and electronic waste. These microbes naturally produce acids that dissolve metals. Scientists control conditions such as temperature and oxygen in bioreactors to help the microbes work efficiently. Compared to traditional mining, biomining uses less energy and produces fewer pollutants and greenhouse gases. For example, Chile already uses biomining to recover copper from low grade ores in a more environmentally friendly way. This shows how biology and technology can work together to make mining more sustainable. Traditional mining versus biomining. This site compares traditional mining with biomining. Traditional mining uses explosives, heavy machines, and toxic chemicals which create large amount of pollution and greenhouse gases. For example, coal mining is one of the most major sources of carbon emissions worldwide. Biomining is different because it uses microorganisms instead of harsh chemicals. It produces less toxic waste and uses less energy. For example, Chile uses biomining to recover copper in a more environmentally friendly way. However, biomining is slower and cannot extract every metal efficiently. Even so, it is considered a more sustainable solution for the future. Evaluation and conclusion. To conclude, mining is important because it provides the materials used in technology, transport, and modern life. However, traditional mining can cause pollution and environmental damage. Biomining offers a more sustainable solution because it uses microorganisms to recover metals with less pollution and lower energy use. For example, countries like Chile are already using biomining to make copper extraction cleaner and safer. Although biomining is slower, it shows how science and technology can be used responsibly to solve environmental problems. In the future, innovations like a biomining can help us balance economic growth with protecting our planet. Small scientific changes today can create a better and more sustainable world for future generations. Here are my references. Thank you.